If you don't like dogs but still love animals, then you gotta check out seals. Did you know seals can hold their breath for up to 2 hours? That's longer than your binge-watching sessions. And those big soulful eyes, they can see in the deep dark ocean, making them the ultimate night owls. Speaking of food, seals eat so much fish they practically have a seafood buffet every day. And here's a fun one. Baby seals are called pups. Yes, just like puppies, but without the mess. So next time you see a seal, give it a flipper 5. Stay tuned for more fun facts and celebrate the wonders of the ocean.